Hey guys! Welcome to our Carbofix Honest Reviews. The struggle of overweight individuals to shed excess body fat never seems to ending, literally. They try various measures to eliminate those ugly layers of fat from the body's waistline and other parts. However, the efficacy of specific weight loss solutions and diet plans is often questionable. Most such products and diet plans either bring temporary relief or fail to deliver the desired end result. Some of these also come with a risk of adverse effects. Carbofix is being projected as a viable alternative to such OTC weight loss supplements. This is a natural dietary supplement consisting of potent and safe natural ingredients. But before we get started, if you want to get the quick access to this Carbofix supplement, then click the link in the description below. What is Carbofix? Carbofix is a unique and carefully formulated supplement to target the underlying cause of obesity in the users. It does not contain anything that will lead to side effects. The formulation is best suited for those obese people who do not want to go to the gym or work out personally for weight loss. Created by Matt Sterling, a leading stuntman and reality TV show contestant, this unique natural supplement speeds up the human body's carbohydrate management. This, in turn, helps in enhancing metabolism. The good thing about Carbofix is that it offers you extra benefits apart from shedding excess weight. It boosts overall health metrics. How does Carbofix work? Carbofix targets the root cause of weight gain in the users rather than focusing on surface-level factors. It has a formulation meant to target the AMP proteins, which play a crucial role in weight loss. These are AMP-activated protein kinases, and these are involved in the metabolism process. These enzymes ensure a section of people never gain weight even though they gorge on favorite dishes all over the year. Carbofix aims at the enzyme that regulates all metabolism-boosting enzymes. AMP activity is linked directly to visceral belly fat in the human body. When its activity slowed down, the result appeared as uncontrolled weight gain. Carbofix improves and restores AMP activity, and that helps the users in losing weight steadily and effectively. The dietary supplement offers a boost to the body's natural metabolism process by activating AMP. The enhanced body metabolism quickens the fat-burning process. As a result, you get a well-toned body, and fat gets removed from different sections of the body. Another notable benefit of this supplement is that it helps in bringing down hunger pangs. This means you have less risk of indulging in binge eating, a factor that leads to weight gain. You need to take 2 capsules a day, and the company says you will experience the changes in as early as 3 days. This gives it an edge over most rival weight loss products. What are the Carbofix ingredients? Carbofix, made by Goldvita, is made of the following ingredients. Berberine. This bioactive compound helps in bringing down cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Chromium. This mineral helps in controlling appetite and quickens the fat-burning process. Cinnamon bark. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Alpha-lipoic acid. It triggers fatty acid oxidation for generating energy. Benfotiamine. This is derived from vitamin B/thiamine and is known for its excellent inflammatory properties. Naringin. It enhances intracellular calcium, and that paves the way for fat burning. Why would you pick Carbofix over other competing products? It works at the cellular level and targets the cause of weight gain effectively. Activation and stimulation of AMP help you lose weight in the visceral region and other parts of the body. Apart from combating obesity, its use helps you cope with severe health conditions like type 2 diabetes. Its usage results in improved insulin resistance, helping to attain better lipid and blood sugar levels. It helps in reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Carbofix comprises plant-based extracts which are said to be safe for long-term use. It is also suitable for obese vegan people. There is no harmful additive or chemical filler in this product. How much does it cost? Carbofix is less expensive than many of the OTC weight loss supplements. One bottle of the supplement will cost you $49. However, by placing an order for 2 bottles together, you pay $126. When you buy 6 bottles at the same time, you spend only $34 per bottle. Final words: Carbofix is a new product in the weight loss supplement segment, for sure. Right now it is one of the best and trustable weight loss supplements that works for everyone, so you should give it a try at once. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and get the Carbofix Pro supplement by just clicking the link in the description below.